Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dora and today I'm doing a tutorial on this look. So it's like pink and orange halo eye with a bit of yellow gold in inner corner. So if you wanna know how I created this look and what products I used, please keep on watching and subscribe to my channel. I've primed my lids and set it, and I'm going into Morphe 35M palette and I'm taking this shade and it's called Red Carpet, and with this small blending brush I'm applying it into the crease and inner and outer corner. From Constellation palette I'm taking this shade called Jupiter, and it's like corally pink shade, and with this a bit bigger blending brush I'll blend the edges of that first shade. So after a fail with glitter, so don't be surprised if you see glitter in my brows or somewhere on my face, I decided to go back to this step. So I applied that orange shade and that pink shade, and I applied a bit of this shade called Venus. It's a bright pink shade, just as a hue around my halo. And now I'm going into Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette and I'll take this shade called Angelic. And this is like goldish pink with a hue of orangey tones in it, and it's beautiful shade. Back to this Constellation palette, just in middle I'll take, oh here it is, this shade, and it's called Celestial. It's like light pink sheen shade. I wanna do just a thin line of eyeliner, so I'll use my Essence Liquid Ink Liner. I'm done with my eyes for a while. Now I'm going on my face, and I think I wanna use again these foundation drops from Makeup Revolution. Actually it's Revolution Pro, because I really like them. And this has such a good full coverage and it's so lightweight. I really love it. You really don't need much. You saw how much I applied, and I almost feel like I have too much on my face. For a bit of brightening with a concealer, I'm mixing these two. So this is LA Girl HD Pro Conceal in the shade Natural, and this is Infallible from L'Oreal in the shade Vanilla. I won't do much. This really covered everything I need. Just a bit to lighten some parts. And of course I'm blending it with Beauty Blender. I'll set all of this with Nye Luxury Banana Powder. To bronze my face, I'm using this Wet n Wild Caramel Toffee contour kit. Today I'm using this Molten Gold highlighter from Maybelline. Blushes I'm mixing are both from Essence, and this is Satin Touch in shade Satin Bronze, and this is Matte Touch in shade Pitch Me Up. For lower lash line I'm going back into this shade Red Carpet from Morphe palette, and with smudger I'll smudge it along lash line. With this smudger a bit wider, I'm going into the shade Confidence, and it's like bright orange shade. And with it I'll a bit smudge shade Red Carpet. To highlight my inner corner, I'm taking shade Solar from Constellation palette. Now I'll set my face with my Revadescu spray. For mascara I'm taking this one from e.l.f. And I don't know how it's called, it says just e.l.f. on it, so. I line my lips using this NYX lip liner in the shade Nude Truffle. And I'll fill the rest of my lips with this Maybelline Color Sensational lip liner in the shade Nude Whisperer. And on the end I'll take this Aura Pulse Lashes in style 19, and I'm using also their lash glue, and it's really good. So I finally did everything, and I applied my lashes and did my lips, and this is my final look. I hope you like it, and if you do, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with friends, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye!